was Mummy and Daddy's darling little dinosaur. They loved and cherished him a lot. Louis too loved his parents very much and was a well-behaved dinosaur. But his only flaw was that he was very lazy. Louis's laziness knew no bounds. He could do anything to escape doing a task, and this time the task was a school project. The school year was ending and Louis had to prepare a project integral to achieve a good grade, but he kept postponing it. Now, a day before submission, Louis panicked and started the project. Somehow he completed it, but when the results came out, he had failed the subject. Full of regret, Louis returned crying. Mummy Dinosaur hugged him tight and said, "If you need to do something, don't wait. There's no time like the present." Having learnt his lesson, Louis resolved not to be lazy again. Every cloud has a silver lining. Tyler was the kind, helpful, and hard-working dinosaur. He was involved in his town's community service committee, and there he helped dinosaur families build caves and gather food. One day, Tyler was chosen to be sent on a mission to another dinosaur town. There, he was to be presented with much rewarding opportunities. Tyler was excited and started preparing for it. On the morning of departure, Tyler's town was hit by an earthquake, and many caves collapsed, and numerous were trapped under them. Tyler and his team of dinosaurs spent hours rescuing everyone. Once everyone was safe, Tyler's friend came up to him and said, "Too bad you couldn't go today. Just a bad day." Tyler gave a wide smile and said, "Every cloud has a silver lining. If I had left for that town today, there would have been less rescuer. I am glad I was here." Always help others. Kevin was the Baronix dinosaur, ever so helpful. Everyone came up to him for guidance and help. No matter how hard the task, Kevin always tried his level best to help others. A small competition was held at Kevin's school, and for that, each student had to prepare a project. As Kevin worked on his project, his neighbor Win approached for help. Kind-hearted Kevin helped Win with all his capabilities and also completed his own project in time. Both submitted their projects at school, and when the results came out, Win had scored better than Kevin. Many came up to Kevin to criticize Win, saying, "You helped him, but he scored better. You should not have helped him so much." But Kevin just smiled and replied, "We should help others regardless of the outcome of our efforts. I am glad that Win got a good grade. I still got what I deserved." If you want something done right, do it yourself. Lazy Maya was always found requesting or ordering other dinosaurs to do things for her. No matter what the task, she asked for favors and sometimes delegated important tasks to others. One day, Maya had to visit the dentist for a toothache, but Maya was busy as always and asked someone to grab medical records from her drawer. So he did. With the medical records in hand, Maya entered the clinic and asked for everything to be done quickly so that she might get back to work. Once done, the dentist asked Maya to check. When Maya checked in the mirror, she shrieked, "Where are all my teeth?" The dentist replied, "I did what your records suggested, Mala." "Mala? I am Maya," she cried. "These records are for Mala, and I performed as per them." Hearing this, Maya fainted. The friend brought her mother's records, and now her teeth had gone.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.